Gucci on my feet, I got it on. You rockin' chrome, I got a chrome heart. I do my own thing. Top the final drip, the LAX, DJ, I hop on track.
What is up, everybody? Welcome back to another video on the channel. In today's video, we are going to be upgrading the steering wheel, because if you watched the last video, which I hope you did, then you would know that we installed a SRT airbag. But I still had the Chrysler steering wheel. So yeah, in today's video, if you ain't already get the hint, I'm gonna be installing the SRT steering wheel, and we're gonna be getting rid of the Chrysler steering. Simple, same as always. Make sure the car is off. You want to get to behind here, poke through there. You're gonna have pins that lock in right there, and the airbag will pop right off. Make sure you disconnect the battery. I tell y'all every single time. I'm not gonna do it, but if you blow your airbag, that's on you. If I blow my airbag, it's on me. So I'm gonna go ahead and get this airbag off, and then I'll show y'all what we're working with. Oh, we got it off. This is gonna be a 10, a hex 10, H10, or you could probably put like a T55 in there. I usually use whatever fit, because it comes off pretty easy, and I
like you, man. You lie a lot.
I don't go crazy zapping them on. So all right, so T55 fits snug in there. I can't find the 10, so this one will do. I'm gonna go ahead and pull that off. Damn, I thought I pulled this joint off before. This shit was tight, but you see, T55 working. So if you ain't got that hex 10, T55 is cool. Alright, this one ain't come with a little weight, so all I did was transfer over the V6 one. You should just go right over it, just like that. And the wires look to be the same. I'm just gonna plug those in. And that's the horn, that's the airbag. Throw this back on there. Tighten it down. I'm gonna give it that good old nest torque. 4 nest clicks.
Can you shut the fuck up?
And then putting the airbag on, pretty simple. Just these two and the horn, and you good. I'm gonna put all that on and then bring y'all back. And when it's all said and done, that's what you got. Way better than that OEM one, that's for sure. I gotta test the paddles. Let's see. Hey, yeah, the paddles work too. So I ain't even swapped the harness or nothing. This is all from the Cherokee. Everything works. So you can use the same harness and everything. Just plug it right in. Good to go.
Yeah, fear God, but I can't never fear soul. Long talks with my Orishas, I done seen death in the soul. I done pulled up in the rose, peanut butter and Tay Rose Reese's. In the